Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So in previous class we were discussing about the Quran, how the Quran is very what evidence that it's he is how is Quran is a evidence by itself. Okay, so we had just mentioned that the Quran is not a what a mamuli kalam. Okay, okay, some of the we have just also mentioned. So now you have just recite memorize about the surah in fitar. Okay, so there are some this is the meaning जब आसमान फट जाएगा. So this is the translation of that ayat. Okay, so in that surah now now the author is just explaining, okay, what kind of the speciality is there in that surah. किस कदर यकीन से भरा हुआ ये कलाम है जिसमें ज़िंदगी की इब्तिदा और इंतहा सब कुछ बयान कर दी है. मीन्स इन दैट सूरा इज एवरीथिंग वाज मेंशन इन एवरी मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन. ओके, विथ व्हाट विथ 100 नॉट विथ 100% विथ 1000 millions of person is all thing was what absolutely right and correct about the our entire life and till the death. Okay, कोई भी इंसानी किताब जो ज़िंदगी और कायनात के मौजू पर लिखी गई हो इसका इस यकीन की मिसाल नहीं पेश कर सकती. फॉर एग्जांपल many of the students have just write on the about the human beings. Okay, from the entire about the history of human beings like that, but none of them is so many what the authentic one. I think देर आर नो एनी एक्सेप्ट कुरान. सैकड़ों सालों से इंसान कायनात की गैर हकीकत गौर करता, बड़े बड़े फ़लसफ़े और साइंसदान पैदा हुए. एंड दी ह्यूमन आर जस्ट वर्क द ह्यूमन बींग्स आर वर्किंग द इंसान मीन्स ह्यूमन. They are working, they are just researching on that. The many of the philosophers, many of the scientists are just going with their research on the human being society, human being, the development or the history of these human beings like that. Okay, but none of them were very clarified, and none of them were just a very 100% sure about that their data, which those have they collected. But the Quran is absolutely not only 100%. Okay, it's absolutely correct one that the Quran is giving us the every kind of data about every kind of and every information of what a human being is absolutely right. Okay, so this is the some. Okay, and the second evidence that the Quran is the second proof that the Quran is evident by itself. That Quran, yeah, in this paragraph is saying that for example, if you are just all plan to order any book, so what you have will just in a mind. For example, you have just ordering some book, so you have to just also follow the you have to just follow the the against one the perspective which are the against of your book. Okay, for example, you are just writing on a specific area. Okay, for example, yeah, human society. Okay, human being society or the history of human society. So you will just write down. Okay, so according to your research, okay, according to your research, some data will be will be criticized by the others, by the other philosophers, by the other scientists. They will just argue that no, your data is just not correct. I have just I will just oppose, I will just against, I'm just against of that argument which you have written in your book. So but in Quran there are no anyone just to argue that the argument is mentioned in Quran is that false. But okay, I think you have just got the point. So this is mentioned in this para. Okay, किसी कलाम का तजाद से पाक होना इस बात का. And so a book which is what means purified without purified with is well purified is known as very precious book. Okay, so kalam, our Quran is also very pure. Okay, so for example, that book is there are many against of this book, so that is not no one will be just to go to that book, but the Quran is the authentic one, that but the Quran is very pure one, so everyone will refer that book. Okay, so in this, okay, so now कुरान की ये खुसूसियत कि वो इसमें की तादाद से पाक है. Now we are just discussing that the Quran is what is पाक from the against. पाक means is purified. Okay, पाक होना means now we are just going to give you a what mithal. The first example that if we most of the scholars they are just written about the about the life of a human being, or the what the about the faraid. Okay, we have just you know about the faraid. Okay, so there are some the faraid is muta'ayyan, okay, for those, but as a practically for as a practically, if you will just think biology, the man and the woman biological they are not same. Okay, biological they are not same. Okay, but what you can say, most of in this society they are just saying that both of them should get their what means they should get their rights. Okay, and Islam in our Quran Islam gives us the what not equality but equity. Islam give us equity. Okay, equity means that for example the man who needs something like that. For example, for example there are three students. Okay, I'll show you. Wait a minute. For example, there are three students, or there are three. Okay, so one's height is how much? 3 feet. Okay, and the second one height is 5 feet. Okay, and the third one height is 7 feet or 6 feet. Okay, so there is a boundary, and that boundary has a wall. Okay, so only the boy who is what 7 feet tall, he can just see from there, but the boy which is 5 feet and the boy which is 3 feet, they can't see the other side. So according to the human society, they will, if we will just distribute the bricks to just stand over the we can just say bricks. Okay, so bricks or whatever stool. Okay, so if we will just distribute the stool according to the human society, so we have to just what we have to do, we have to give each and every one stool. Okay, but Islam what says, this the boy who is 7 feet tall, exactly he doesn't need that stool, so the Islam doesn't give him. Okay, and the boy who is 5 feet tall, he needs only one stool, so if he will just climb on that one stool, so he can just watch the other side, what's going on the other side. Okay, and the boy who is 3 feet, okay, he needs two, not only one, because he is also not able to just watch what's going on over there. So Islam gives him that right, so he can just watch what's going on over there. So that's in the same way the farail, the men get some there are some specific specific numbers of that faraid. So something like that is mentioned this. And the second example I think is mentioned about the what I not think I am just telling that is mentioned about the what right. Okay, or about the right of the employees, the right of the what मजदूर बोलते हैं मजदूरों को. So we should have to just pay everything their rights if they are working under us, for example. Okay, so Quran is giving us every kind of knowledge, even though in our business, or even though in our education, even though in our marriage life, even though our what before after the what something like that, whatever. If you can't, if you we have no any what limited topic to, we can say that the Quran have this limited topic. Okay, if we have a thinking capacity, so we can just create many content of. Okay, so there are all things mentioned in this the second. Okay, we don't need to just, we will just go there. Now we have the third one. We have just mentioned the two proofs that the Quran is evidence by itself. Okay, the first one, that the Quran is it's not a ma'amuli kitab, it's not a simple book. Okay, and the second one is that the purifying that the Quran is purified by the against. Okay, no one has just argued against the Quran. Means that all are just accepted the arguments and the system of the Quran. So it means that the Quran is very pak. Okay, I hope you understand. Inshallah, for next period we will just continue, we will finish our this chapter. I hope you get the point. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.